It's another wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day. Love to see you. If you're a new subscriber, do well to like, subscribe, and share. Today I'm going to be discussing with the beginners, those who are newly in Forex. You just came new to the Forex space, finding your way to navigate to be profitable and to know how this thing works. You are right at the right video today, and do well to check my other video to advance, not only stay as a beginner. Today I'm going to be talking about the basics of Forex and what Forex is all about. Forex is all about trading another currency for another. It's either you're making profits or you're losing money. Most of us might have traded Forex without knowing. You might have traveled from another country, or you might have traveled from Nigeria to the United States, or to Canada, to New Zealand, Thailand. You might have traveled from another country to another country, and you traded your naira to US dollar, which means you have traded Forex. Forex trading is the converting your current currency to another, or any other currency to another, to make profits, or you're losing. For you to get started trading Forex, you can start with your phone. No excuses. It's not necessary for you to have a laptop or maybe a bigger devices. With your smartphone, good internet, you can start trading Forex at the comfort of your home. All you just need is knowledge. You seek for knowledge. You can check my other videos, like I said previously, to get advanced knowledge in Forex. You can write on the comment section on the topics you want me to talk about. I'll do well to check the comment section, and I'll always be there to get that video for you. So right now we are hitting more light on the basics of Forex. Yeah, for you to get started trading Forex with your phone right now, all you need to do is go to the description below. You will see the broker I use. Make sure to register with my link, and you need to have a broker first. Then secondly, you download Trading View. Trading View is where you get the analysis done, the top-down analysis. That is where you display your strategy before executing a trade on your Meta 5 or Meta 4. But I'll advise you, as a beginner, you start with Meta 5. You go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download your Meta 5. You download your Meta 5 and your Trading View. Yeah, your Trading View to get started. Use your phone to start trading now, and the broker allows you to create a demo account where you play with virtual money. That virtual money helps you to know what you're doing in the Forex space and how the Forex space and how the Forex space operates. It gives you a sum of amounts, but it's not a real money. It's a virtual money which you use in training yourself to know how the Forex space work and how to practice more on your strategy, which you're about to learn. You can check my other videos to know, or you drop in the comment section on what you want to learn next, and watch my next video to get more knowledge on how to trade Forex. Thank you guys. For the beginners, see you out there, start making good money. I just want to do a very short video, not long video, just to give you tips on how to get started trading Forex. So most people think Forex is gambling. Forex is not gambling, man. It's just all about this. You put it there, work on it. Thank you. Peace.